Dear students, in the last section we have seen requirement elicitation techniques, that is interviews, brainstorming sessions and FAST. In this section we will see the next technique, that is quality function deployment. So it is a quality management technique that helps to incorporate the voice of customer. The voice of customer means it is the requirements of the customer, and then it is translated into the technical requirements. Then these technical requirements are converted or documented, and the result is the software requirement and specification document, that is SRS. Okay, so here the voice of the customer is incorporated, then this converted into the technical requirement, and this technical requirement and then documented, and that is called as the SRS. And these requirements now further translated into design documents. So here the customer satisfaction is the prime concerns. That is why the QFD emphasizes on what is valuable to the customer. So according to that, there are three types of requirements are identified. First is normal requirement, second is expected requirement, and third is exciting requirements. So normal requirement means the objective and goals of the proposed software. Okay, if this category of requirement is present into your software, then the customer is satisfied. Examples of the normal requirements are for the result management system is entry of marks, calculation of result, merit list report, and failed student report. Okay, so these are the normal requirement for result management system. Second requirements are expected requirements. So these requirements are so obvious that customer does not explicitly state them. Okay, if such requirements are not present in your software, then the customer will be dissatisfied with the software. Examples of this expected requirement for the result management system may be protection from unauthorized access, some warning system for wrong data entry. Okay, so these are the expected or obvious requirement for the result management system. Then next is exciting requirement. Some features are go beyond the customer expectation because customer do not know, customer is not having a technical knowledge. So some features go beyond the customer's expectation, and if these exciting requirement are present, then the customers are very satisfied. Examples of exciting requirements for result management system may be: if unauthorized access is noticed to the software, then it should be immediately shut down all the processor and email is generated to the system administrator. Okay, so these are the exciting requirements, and that is beyond the knowledge of the customer. The QFD is having a following steps. First is identify the stakeholders. So the stakeholders may be customers, users, and developers. Second step is list out requirements from customer. So it may be the requirements which are in the mind of the customer. Then degree of importance to reach the requirements. After that we have to give the points to each and every requirement according to the priority. For example, we can give the priority as 5 points, 4, then 3, 2, 1. So 5 means it is very important requirement, 4 means important, 3 means not important but nice to have, 2 means not important, and 1 is unrealistic or required for further exploration. So according to that, the requirement engineer may categorize like it is possible to achieve. We can achieve this requirement. Second, it should be deferred and why, and it is impossible and should be dropped from the consideration. So first category requirements will be implemented as per the priority. The very important requirements are implemented first, then after that important, after that not important. If second type of category, that is if time and effort permits, then the second category requirements may be reviewed and few of them may be transferred to category first for implementation, and third type of requirements are impossible requirements, okay, and that is omitted. So this is about the quality function deployment. In the next session we will see use case approach. Thank you so much.